Oh, truth is, Kyle, you're a very good kid. Yeah. Oh, yep. And you used to hate me. I don't really know if you do now. I could care less. I care, but I don't know. And shit. What was I gonna say? We're on the field cleanup. Kennedy from baseball. And yeah, you're pretty crazy and a good kid, good soul. Yeah. Oh, I like your truck.
Truth is, you're an asshole for the volleyball, but who cares? You're pretty crazy. You're a great driver, and you're very good at baseball.
Truth is, neighbor, we go way back. And, let me just say, neighbor, you're a great neighbor.
What the fuck was that?
You're a great neighbor.
Fuck.
We grew up together, and, you pull.
No.